Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tutorial Lore. Today, I am going to teach you how to change currency on trading 212 application, so be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel, Tutorial Lore. Let's go for how to change currency on trading. 212 application, how to change currency in trading. 212 app, step 1, open the trading 212. App launch the Trading 212 app on your mobile device. Log into your Trading 212 account. Step 2, go to Account Settings, tap on the menu or More option. Select Settings or Account Settings. Step 3, check Current Currency, scroll to Account Details to view your current currency. Trading 212 does not allow direct currency changes for existing accounts. Step 4, create a new account with desired currency. The only way to change currency is to create a new Trading 212 account. Tap on Open a new account under Settings. Choose the preferred currency, USD, GBP, EUR, etc. during sign-up. So that's all in today's video. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you do not understand something, then please comment. We will try our best to cover it.